Isol Adventures with Mrs. Janet. Today, we are going to learn how to make predictions because that's what great readers do. We predict in a lot of ways in our lives. If we see big gray clouds in the sky, we can sometimes guess, we can sometimes predict that it will rain. As readers, we predict too. We'll look at the pictures, title, and think about what is going to happen in the story.
Good readers try to make good guesses about what will happen next. What will happen next? I wonder what will be. I will predict and then I'll read and I will see. What will happen next? I wonder what will be.